Hello friends, in this tutorial let us understand how to introduce page break between each group in SSRS and then how to display header row on each page. Okay, so for this we will use the report that we have developed in our last video tutorial. This report has got groups at two levels. The first level of grouping is based on region and the second level of grouping is based on country. And then there is detailed data. Okay, so right now we can see that all the data is displayed on the same page. What if we want the data of a single group to be displayed on each page? That is, we want data of region Asia to be displayed on first page, followed by data of Europe to be displayed on second page, followed by data of North America to be displayed on third page. So if you want this, then we can go to design, we can go to group properties, we can go to page breaks, and then we can click over here, that is between each instance of the group. So if we click OK and preview, then we can see that now the data of a single group is displayed, that is Asia is displayed on the first page. On the second page, data of Europe is displayed, and on the third page, data of North America is displayed. But there is a problem. On the second and third pages, the page header, that is this row, is not displayed. Okay, so if you want to display this row, then you can go to design, go over here in column groups, go and select advanced mode, then go to the first row over here static. Now go to the first row in row group, so it will select this particular cell. Okay, and it is here that the page header starts, the header for this table starts, tablic starts, right? So go over here, go and press F4, it will bring up the properties. Go to repeat on new page. If it is false by default, so make it true. Okay, and save everything. And now if you go and preview the report, then the header is coming for the table on the first page. Also the header is coming for the table on the second page, which has got Europe data, and the header row is coming for the table on the third page also, which is having North America data. So I hope friends, this video tutorial on how to divide our data between different pages based on groups, and that is how to display new groups data on a new page, and then how to display the tablic's header row on every page is useful to you. Thank you.